Now we will learn what is router first. So in this session we are going to cover what is router, features and applications, different types of routers. So first, what is router? The router is a physical or virtual internet working device that is designed to receive, analyze, and forward data packets between computer networks. A router examines a destination IP address of a given data packet, and it uses the header and forwarding tables to decide the best way to transfer the packets. So there are some popular companies that develop routers such as Cisco, 3Com, HP, Jupiter, and then D-Link, Nortel, etc. Some important points of router are actually a router is used in LAN, local area network, and WAN, wide area network. Okay, so these are the environments actually. For example, it is used in offices for connectivity, and you can also establish the connection between distant networks such as Bhopal to it shares information with other routers in networking. Actually, it uses the routing protocol, okay, to transfer the data across network. Furthermore, it is more expensive than other networking devices like switch and hubs. Now, the router is more capable as compared to the other network devices such as hub, switch, etc. As these devices are only able to execute the basic functions of the network. For example, a hub is a basic networking device, okay, that is mainly used to forward the data between the connected devices, but it can't analyze or change anything with the transferring data. On the other hand, the router has capability to analyze and modify the data while transferring it over a network, and it can send it to another network. For example, generally routers allow sharing in a single network connection but between multiple devices. So now, features of router. If we speak about the features of router works on the third layer of network OSI reference model. Okay, on the network layer actually. So and it is able to communicate with its adjacent devices with the help of IP address and subnet. A network provides high speed internet, or a router provides high speed internet. So connectivity with the different types of ports are like gigabit fast ethernet and STM link port. So you can able to see about the gigabyte and fast ethernet ports while when we are in the practical session. Absolutely, the next video will be the routing, configuring a router in a network, so you can able to understand what is gigabyte and fast ethernet ports. So it allows the user to configure the port as per the requirements in the network. Router's main component are central processing unit, actually flash memory, RAM memory, non-volatile RAM, and console, network, and interface card. Okay, so these are the central processing main components, and router are capable of routing the traffic in a large network system by considering the subnetwork as an intact network. Routers filter out the unwanted interference actually, as well as carry out the data encapsulation and decapsulation process also. Routers provide the redundancy as it allows workers in master and slave mode. It allows the user to connect several LAN and WAN and the various. If we speak about the various types of routers here, so they are various types of routers actually. First one is wireless router, and then B router, core router, edge router, and broadband router. So we will speak about we will learn about all the routers. Actually, first the first one is wireless router, right? Wireless router means wireless routers are used to offer Wi-Fi connectivity to laptops, smartphones, and other devices with Wi-Fi network capabilities. And it can also provide standard Ethernet routing for a small number of wide network systems. Wireless routers are capable of generating a wireless signal in your home or office. As we can see here, here this is the wireless router. Okay, this is the home network and this is the wireless router. So this is what the working principle of wireless router. And if connection is indoor, the range of the wireless router is about 150 feet, and when the connection is outdoor, the range of the uh, wireless router is 300 feet. Okay, so future more, you can make more secure wireless routers with a password or get your IP address. Therefore, you can log into your router by using user ID and password. Then the second thing, second router is B router. B router is a combination of bridge and a router. It allows transferring the data between like a bridge net and network. And like a router, it can also route the different within a network to the individual systems. Thus, it combines these two functions of bridge and router by routing some incoming data to the correct system while transferring the other data to the other network. And the third one is core router. A core router is a type of router that can route the data with a network. So but it is not able to route the data between the networks. Okay, it is a computer communication system device that and the backbone of networks. Okay, as it helps to link all the network devices. It is used by internet service providers, and it also provides various types of fast and powerful data communication interface. Then the fourth one is edge router. An edge router, as the title says, the edge router is a lower capability device that is placed at the boundaries of a network. It allows an internal network to connect with the external network. It is also called as the access router. It use an external BGP, border gateway protocol. BGP means border gateway protocol. So to provide connectivity with remote networks over the internet. And the last one is broadband router. Broadband router are mainly used to provide high speed internet access to computers. It is needed when you connect to internet through phone and use voice over IP. I mean Vivo IP technology. All broadband, broadband means which the connection will avail by using the land phone actually. So all broadband routers have an option of 3 or 4 Ethernet ports for connecting the laptop and desktop systems. A broadband router is configured and provided by the Internet Service Provider (ISP). It is also known as broadband modem, asymmetric digital subscriber, and a digital subscriber modem. So we have completed what is router and the applications and the features of the router. So and now the types of router. In the next video, we will see how to configure router with using Cisco Packet Tracer.